Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul and I'm super excited to talk about the left function in today's video. So let's go and see what exactly is the left function and how we can use it in our SQL queries. So this left function allows you to extract a substring from a string starting from the leftmost characters. So for example, suppose you have this email ID and you want to extract the first two or three characters of this email ID, then you can use this left function to extract it. And most often this left function is useful when you have to get a certain part of a string, or if you have to extract a certain part of substring from a string, then you can use this left function. So what we'll do is that we'll run this query, which is select a star from email data.subscriber base, which has all the subscriber detail. And what we can do is that we can extract the year from the subscriber's date of birth. So we know that the year is 4 characters here, right? So 1 2 3 4. So what we can do simply is that we can write select and then we will put date of birth, and after date of birth we'll put this left function. So the syntax of this left function is that you will put left and then you will start a bracket. Within this bracket you have to put the column name, and after this column name you have to give how many number of characters you want from the left hand side. So for us we need 4 characters because the first 4 characters is the years. So I'll put 4 and then I'll put as year in date of birth. Now if I run this query, I'll get the original date of birth column and the year part from that date of birth. You can see here we have date of birth and year in date of birth. So this is how basically you use left function to extract the leftmost characters from a string. If you want to understand or learn more about SQL, then you can click on the right hand side of this video, or if you're interested in Excel, then you can click on the left hand side of this video. Happy learning and see you in the next video.